For Douglas County, the Archie Creek Fire ranks among the region's worst disasters. Nearly 135,000 acres of public and private forests worth $5 billion were burned, including nearly 20,000 acres of timberlands owned by Roseburg. Even before the fire was fully contained or its full impact assessed, Roseburg's resources and operations teams were already mobilizing to salvage logs and lay the groundwork for what would become a years-long effort to restore the land back to productivity. In this second installment in our series commemorating the 5th anniversary of Oregon's Labor Day 2020 fires, Roseburg team members reflect on the fire's aftermath and ongoing restoration efforts. It didn't take long to grasp the devastation left by the Archie Creek Fire. Thriving forests with new growth and mature trees were blackened and in disarray. Some trees were scarred, while others, more severely damaged, would soon die where they stood. What was once described by foresters as pristine and beautiful was now being evaluated for what could be salvaged or restored.
We're pretty well seasoned at getting in there and knowing we need to act with a sense of urgency. How do we move forward and get the most value out of that, get this forest back to production?
If it was green at the time and growing, it was salvageable down to a certain size, because as tree size decreases, logging cost increases, and you come upon the part which it's no longer financially feasible.
Within 2 months, as deer and elk returned to blackened areas, now giving way to green shoots, Roseburg foresters and contractors began replanting seedlings. Roseburg's early efforts to successfully order hundreds of thousands of seedlings for planting made a big difference in the company's ability to start reforestation efforts quickly.
We just know the process that it takes, and we had to ramp up that process due to the scope and scale. But we knew what we had to do, from the initial response, infrastructure replacement, to the harvesting operations and the marketing of those logs, to the reforestation efforts that were to follow to ensure successful reforestations. I think the team did a tremendous job in the first 6 months specifically, due to the amount of traffic that were on the roads in the area. Not only did we have some infrastructure replacement going on in other parts of that area, but we also had a lot of operational traffic from log trucks, loggers, equipment, etc. A lot of congestion in just the road traffic, and then in coordination with reforestation efforts, when we started tree planting, and you've got log trucks coming out. I just think the team did an absolutely tremendous job in laying out those logistics, having the road in physical condition that allowed that much traffic to happen safely.
Five years into the restoration, there's confidence that the hard work is paying off. Trees are maturing, critical infrastructure has been restored, and the health of the watershed continues to improve. An Oregon State University watershed study that has assessed the impacts of logging and new tree growth in the 5,000-acre Hinkle Creek area since 2001 has been expanded to consider post-fire impacts. Findings from the data-rich study will aid forest management decision-making throughout the Pacific Northwest for years to come. The deep history of the land and its personal significance to Alan Ford and the Ford family have always played a crucial role in the company's operations. Thanks to the unwavering commitment and support of the Ford family and the diligent stewardship of the Roseburg forestry and operations teams, this land will continue to provide high-quality timber for decades to come.
It was a massive effort to go in and start the recovery and the repair and the rehabilitation and putting reforestation plans in place. A multi-year effort that involved many of our teammates. Now 5 years later, we're starting to see some of the fruits of that. We drive around and see all these little trees thriving.
Now that it's been 5 years, how have restoration efforts progressed in the time since the blaze swept through? And what lessons has the team learned from the process? Stay tuned for Chapter 3, Lessons Learned, The Forest for the Trees.